Muriaga eroreri. Ndamumukira kihigurine giki gitu kia guthoma Gikuyu kia Ruth and Mary. Ni njitagwo Mary. Welcome to our YouTube channel, Learning the Kikuyu Language with Ruth and Mary. My name is Mary. I hope you enjoyed the last lesson you had with Ruth, which was on questions, Shuria. Today we are going to be learning about professions, Wìra. Normally you have mu, a for human beings. So you have modo, that is singular, then ado, plural, except borrowed words like dagitari, which is borrowed from doctor, or madagitari, that is plural, doctors. Ushori wa miako, that's an architect. Ashori a miako. You realize it's mu a. Then you have mwarimu, then mini, arimu. You have muruto as a student. Aige, mini, aruto. You have murugi, that's a cook. Many cooks, arugi. Then you have muremi, which is a farmer. Aremi, farmers. You have mutegi wa thamaki, that's a fisherman. Ategi a thamaki, when there are many fishermen. You have wakiri, a lawyer. Then you have mwadiki, that's an author. Adiki, others. Then you have mutwari wa gari, that's a driver. Atwari a gari, when there are many. Mutauri, that's a translator. Atauri, when there are many translators. Then you have mutuaniri shira, that's a judge. Then atuaniri shira, judges. You have the muthomi wa uhoro, that's a news anchor. Athomi a uhoro, news anchors. Muteti, politician. There are many politicians. Ateti. Then you have mutwari wa ndege, pilot. Atwari a ndege, pilots. Muhuri wa bisha, that's a photographer. Ahori a bisha, photographers. Then you have the king, mudhamaki. Adhamaki, kings. Then you have moi wa thenema, that's a videographer. Oi a thenema, were videographers. Mutumi wa nguo, dressmaker. Atumi a nguo, dressmakers. Muthondeki wa ngari, that's a mechanic. Athondeki a ngari, mechanics, when there are many. Then you have murugi wa keki, or kana migate, either cakes or bread. Baker, the baker. Arugi a keki, those are many bakers. Then you have mutumia wa muthamaki, queen. Atumia a muthamaki. They are queens, I don't know whether you can have many of them. Now we come to the end of this lesson today. I hope you comment or like if you want, and also subscribe if you have not subscribed. You're welcome to the next lesson next week. Tigwo ina wega. Tikinya hindi wengi.